Hello everybody. Hibiscus plants don't need any special introduction. Also called shoe flower, they're very commonly seen in our gardens. Remember, we've also drawn them in our biology notebooks, the diagram showing plant parts? That's because hibiscus flowers are considered to be complete and perfect, with very easily identifiable parts like sepals, petals, male and female reproductive organs, stigma, style. Remember? They can grow to a height of 3 to 5 meters. That's almost as big as a small tree. Here you can see one with variegated green and white leaves. The most commonly seen one is the 5-petaled red hibiscus, but there are so many variants in colors like white, pink, yellow, orange, multicolored ones with a different pattern or shading at the center. There are single flowers, double flowers. There are so many of them. Now let me tell you about the uses of hibiscus. Did you know that hibiscus flowers are edible and a rich source of vitamin C? They are used to make jams and chutneys. Hibiscus tea is made by boiling fresh petals in water. This is said to lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and it also helps to relieve stomach ailments. Hibiscus oil is made by boiling flower petals of hibiscus in coconut oil and then straining it out. This helps in hair care. When we were young, we used to soak the petals and leaves of hibiscus in water to form a thick shampoo-like liquid. This would be applied to the hair for about 10 to 20 minutes before washing them away. The recipes and videos for all these are available on YouTube. But I would recommend caution while using herbal remedies. They should always be done with professional advice. That's all about hibiscus. Happy gardening to you!